Luck, a word we all know. Some people say it's real, some say it's magic. But what if I told you luck isn't something that just happens? What if I told you you create your own luck? Sounds interesting, right? Let me explain. Think about someone you admire, someone successful. People might say, they're so lucky. But what they don't see is the hard work behind the success, the late nights, the failures, the times they wanted to quit but didn't. Luck isn't magic. It's the result of effort, patience, and never giving up. Let's be honest. Life is tough. We all face challenges. We all fail. But here's the secret. Every time you try again, every time you learn, every time you push forward, you're creating your own luck. Luck isn't about waiting for something to happen. It's about making it happen. So how do you create your own luck? It's simple. Start small, improve your skills, take risks, fail, learn, and try again. Build good habits, surround yourself with people who inspire you, and most importantly, never give up. Every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Luck isn't about chance, it's about choice. The choice to work hard, the choice to believe in yourself, the choice to keep going even when it's hard. When you prepare, when you persist, you create opportunities, and when the right moment comes, you're ready. So the next time someone says, "You're so lucky," smile, because you know the truth. Luck isn't something you wait for, it's something you create. It's the reward for your effort, your courage, and your belief in yourself. You have the power to shape your future. Start today, create your own luck,